Hola YouTube, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you're new here, welcome to the crazy family. And if you're already been here, ya tú sabes que tú eres parte de la familia. That means you already know you're part of that family. Today's video is sponsored by Glam Glow. I'm going to be showing you guys how do I do this, not natural. I don't want to say natural because it's not a natural. This is more like a fresh makeup look. I want people to be like, wait, did she got makeup on? Or like, what's going on? A fresh look. That's what we're going for. I'm going to introduce you guys to the new Super Toner Exfoliating Acid Solutions. This is Glam Glow's new Pore Clarifying Toner. It's literally bomba. I've been using it for like 3 weeks so far because my skin is kind of coming like in and out because of the weather change and all that. So it needs a lot of love at this moment. So the Super Toner clarifies your pores, exfoliates, and tones skin. So it's great, like I said, for when your skin is looking problematic and the pores are just acting up, or it just needs a little bit of extra love. So I'm gonna go ahead and demonstrate it for you guys. I like shaking it before you apply it on. I like using more of the square little pads instead of the circle ones. The circle ones leave hair behind, and I don't like that. This does contain charcoal, but it goes on clear, so don't panic. I like filling my whole little pad with that. Get a soak in there. And then I start here, and my problem area is more underneath my eyes where the pores is at. So this helps to clarify the pores, tone the skin, and also exfoliate. And I just like doing this. I love applying this right before the gym because it helps me wake up, because my face feels really clean after I do it. It does have like a tickly sensation though. I just want to let you guys know that before you apply it. But the way your skin feels afterwards, very fresh and like, whoo, and that was extra. Very like, whoo, awake, rejuvenated. And it does have like a minty smell. You could use it morning and night, but it feels amazing. It keeps your skin clean and problems free. And I just like, put it all over. And always make sure to avoid your eye area. Even though I'm going a little in there, but don't go too close. You know what I mean? So yeah, that's it. And then after that, I kind of let it soak into my skin for like a minute or two because it feels super fresh and like minty. I just kind of let it. I don't think that you have to let it. Yeah, you could go in with the extra stuff, but I like letting it kind of marinate in there, and then I move on with the rest of my stuff. Okay, then after that, I go in with our moisturizer. I'm going to be grabbing my Ultra Repair First Aid moisturizer. It is a little cold outside, so I have to moisturize my skin a little more. I just apply a little bit of this all over the face, even underneath my eyes. My skin feels so fresh and really like, woo, I love it. Okay, so then after that, I do correct, even though when I do my fresh face, because I do have discoloration. That's something that I, struggle with. So I try to go without correcting, but it's just not me if I don't correct. So I put a little bit of this in the areas where, you know what I mean? We have discoloration. All right, so we're set. We're looking like an Oompa Loompa. Hello, we gotta correct. So a new foundation that I've been loving to do this kind of fresh look is the new Hourglass Seamless Liquid Vanish Foundation. I mixed the color Almond with Golden Amber, just one pump of each and kind of even out the whole face. And this foundation is very full coverage. I grab the booty. All right, so we're put. I do focus a lot on my areas where I'm dark here, but when I do this kind of makeup, I don't, because I still want it to look kind of like skin and not cover all the blemishes. And I'm gonna highlight a little, but not too much. I know I say this and I ended up with the whole concealer underneath my eyes. I'm gonna use a little bit of concealer, and the one I'm gonna use is the Fenty one. I feel like it goes on really like a lot, but it looks natural, and I love how it goes on. So $3.90 for that to even me out, like as a corrector. Step away from the concealer. Grabbing my contour stick by NYX. I'm gonna go ahead and give this face a little bit of, sculpting. Even though if I'm doing natural, we gotta sculpt. I'm not gonna play myself for sure. No. And blend it out. All right. So we cute. I like it. So for set, because I am going to set my face a little, I'm not going to highlight and do that all extra. I'm going to be using Color Honey by Fenty, the Pro Filter Powder. Been loving this powder for like a natural, when I do the natural. My Huda one is more for cake on. This is more for like, hi, you're kind of like dust cute. And I'm not using the sponge for that. I'm using a small brush. And I'm going to go ahead and tap that underneath my eyes just to set around those areas that I get oily, and that's it. That's it, honey. That's it. Who am I not setting with the Booty Blender sponge? That's literally it. That's literally it. Then for my eyebrows, I kind of let it flow and do their own things. Grabbing that Anastasia gel. Brush those babies up. I let the gel dry. And then I go in with the pencil to add anything that is missing. Or sometimes, not even lying, I'm leaving them like that and I don't add nothing to it. But I am going to add a little bit what the hair is missing. I'm going to go ahead and grab a little bit of bronzer. Because I do have to bronze my skin. Don't think I was not going to bronze my skin. Grabbing the Wet n Wild. What color is this? This is the What Shady Beaches. Beaches. Grabbing that. No, another brush. That brush is tripping. Yo, that brush is tripping. Okay. And when I'm applying my bronzer, I like dabbing it into the skin. And when I don't have a lot of product either, like I'm not set and put, if I drag the product, it removes it. So dabbing it kind of just helps set it. So yeah, boom, 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 boom. Do a little down here. Here I don't mind because it's under the chin. A little bit of that. Just to give me like a sun kiss look. And then for blush, I'm going to be using Sun Power by MAC. That's also a good bronzer, but I like using it as a blush sometimes. Boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. And then I dust whatever is left on my eyes. A little more in there. There you go. And then for highlight, I'm going to be using the new Hyper Real Glow by MAC. It has this beautiful gold situation. Like, oh, so pretty. I'm going to grab a little. I say a little, then I go ham. But apply it on the high points, but not so much, you guys, because I don't want my face to look over highlighted. But like if the sun hit it, like, ooh, that's a cute glow, you know what I mean? Bring it up in the eyebrow also right here. See how pretty it looks? Natural. And like, hi, how are you? And then for the lips, I grabbed the Buxom. I love this thing because it turns my lips pink a little. You see that? And then for gloss, because you guys don't have to wear gloss. This one is by Pomegranate in the color. What color is this? Flesh Astral. Just a little. And then for the eyebrows, I grab Anastasia. And I fill in whatever is missing. I remember when I used to be so like, ooh, my eyebrows need to look perfect. Now I'd be like, no, we just let them flow and do their thing. Fix his hair and I'll be right back. And this is my fresh face. I love me a fresh face because it's like right before a natural look. If you guys could tell, I don't have mascara on or nothing like that. Kind of like let my face go with the flow and look like, ooh, she put a little on, but not too much. That's what I'm trying to go for. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to comment below and let me know what you guys think. You guys be trying out this fresh makeup look. Yes, enhance the natural beauty. Come on, natural beauty. Sometimes, not all the time. Anyways, all products will be listed down below in the description box. Don't forget to check it out. And also the Glam Glow Super Toner. Love this stuff right before I work out in the morning because it just give me a fresh face and it feels tingly and it wakes me up and all that good stuff. And my skin feels fresh. So yeah, thank you for watching, like I said, and I will see you guys on my next video. Ciao. Besitos.